I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I think I'm so excited about it because I didn't know what I was gonna have for dinner. This looks legit delicious. Flavor spot on. Ow, everything's falling. Today I'm in beautiful Glacier National Park, which is in northwestern Montana. Absolutely stunning. Huge cliffs, big, deep, rounded out valleys where the glaciers moved through. Stunning. So here's what we're doing. I don't really know. I have some, okay, I'm making a weird dinner. I am doing turkey tenderloin, which I'd never gotten before, but my sister had recommended it, so I'm using turkey tenderloin. I don't really know what's gonna happen with this other than the fact that it might fall into the fire. And then also I have some vegetables. The only carrots I have are these little guys, and I have some celery that's sort of wilting. And so I might try to make some sort of a stew or something. I don't know, but that's the turkey in there. And I put a pinch of thyme and a pinch of rosemary in there. We'll see what happens with this. Here's what I found. I found a bouillon cube. Well, I found a bay leaf and a half and some water. We're gonna go toss it into this mess and see if it works. I could maybe throw some rice in there. Should I try to do that? It's like a handful, 2 handfuls, 3 handfuls. That's about all I'm gonna put in. I feel like it's pretty hot too. I should move it over a little bit. This is when shit falls. And I lose everything into the fire. Okay. Oh, don't fall. God, don't fall. Oh, fuck, that one's falling. This is a disaster in the making right here. Okay, you stay there. Oh, look at this. A log set up, 2 chunks of firewood, my meal in there, could fall in the fire at any time. But it looks cool, right? Because it's rustic. I'm gonna let the rice go for 25 minutes because that's about how long you simmer rice for, right? This is where we're gonna check it. Check it before you wreck it, check before you wreck it. Oh, yes, doing the thing that you're supposed to do. Let's see, how's this rice doing down here? Oh, look at that shit. Yeah, that looks pretty amazing. All right, I added some more seasoning and I added more water. I'm gonna give it like 10 more minutes for the rice to get a little softer. But the flavor's spot on. And I got some, an entire sleeve of saltine crackers. And then a leftover sleeve. So it's that much. Is that too much? We're taking it off. Ow, everything's falling. Oh, see that? Oh, yes. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I think I'm so excited about it because I didn't know what I was gonna have for dinner. And I have like this turkey tenderloin sitting in the fridge. I'd never had a turkey tenderloin before. My sister told me about it. I was like, oh, I have a turkey tenderloin. My sister told me about it. I also had a little bag of baby carrots and some celery. But I did have a Dutch oven and I had a fire. This looks phenomenal. This looks legit delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more in because I'm hungry. Yeah, I'm somewhat excited. I'm so excited for this. It's been raining all day. I've been in reading a book, cleaning up the van. I'd sort of like to say it's restaurant quality. That might be bragging, but really good. Wow! That's really fun. When you don't know what you're gonna do and then you really get it done and then you rhyme while you say it. Success. Turkey and rice soup on a cold day. Love it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think. Ugh, hot. It's very hot.